a question becomes easy when you have an idea to the answer. Let's say we have a lorry travels 10 kilometers northward, 4 kilometers eastward, 6 kilometers southward, and then 4 kilometers westward to arrive at a point T. What is the displacement of the lorry? Now, this is UTME 1988, number 3. Now, how do you solve this? You need to know we have the 4 cardinal points, east, west, north, and south. Now, this guy, the first thing to do is to draw out the cardinal points. For have the cardinal points, we have the east is over here, the north is over here, the west is over here, and the south is over here. Now, let's apply the illustration. He moves 10 kilometers to the north. That means it's moving towards this direction. 10 kilometers to the north. So this is 10 kilometers. And then it moves to the east, 4 kilometers. So this is 4 kilometers to the east. And then to the south, 6 kilometers. Move to the south, 6 kilometers. Now, and then moves again to the west. This is the west, so 4 kilometers. Now, understand that this displacement will cancel this displacement. For instance, I am standing in this position, and I move towards this position, okay? And I move back to this position. Is there any displacement? No, because there is no change in position. Displacement is simply a change in position. I move to the place, I move back to where I'm staying, displacement is not done. Okay, but if it's distant, distance is the total length I covered from traveling here and back to where I'm standing. So for displacement, if you want a video on that, you can check out our video on position, distance, and displacement. Over here, let's come back to the board. So we have that 10 kilometers to the north, 10 kilometers now to the north, and then 6 kilometers to the south. So it's moving back 6 kilometers. Now, if you apply normal common sense, look at the board, you'll find out that from here to here is the distance that is remaining, or sorry, the displacement of that guy, of the lorry. Now, from here, 10 kilometers, 10 minus 6, this will give me 4 kilometers. Now, we'll look at the board, because from here to here is 10, from here to this point is 6 kilometers, meaning that the remaining part of this journey is 4 kilometers. Can you look at this board? We have 6 kilometers south, 4 kilometers north. All right, this should be the answer. We have 6 kilometers north. That's not the answer. 4 kilometers. This is 4 kilometers north. So this is the answer. All right, so let's mark out the answer there. So the answer is 4 kilometers north. All right, still in the north. 4 kilometers north. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.